here. Alright. I always put my foot on my other foot, of course. That's one. Second one at the guard. That's two. And then to apply more pressure, inverted heel hook along with the calf pressure, and the growing.